Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you love math, this is the place for you. Our question for today is, so for x, 5 power 3x plus 5 power x is equals to 10. So we are going to say solution. So we have 5 power 3x, 5 power x is equals to 10. We're going to say 5 power x, the 3 will be outside, 5 power x minus 10 is equals to 0. On this stage, we're going to say let 5 power x is equals to any letter of your choice. Because if you don't do this step, you cannot go any further solving this thing. So, in this case, 5 power x will be a. Since my name is Alex, anyway, just kidding. So, where there's 5 power x, we are going to put a. So, a power 3 plus a minus 10 is equals to 0. On this step, we are going to find two numbers that when you multiply them, they give you negative 10. And when you add them, it should give you positive 1. So let's try the product factor sum rule. The product is a times c, which is negative 10. In the factors, the two numbers that when you multiply, they give you negative 10. So it's 5 and 2. And the sum is 1. So when you add these two numbers, they're not giving you 1. So we're going to use Lake's law. Just kidding. Lake's law is just a personal made law. Yeah, Lake's law works for everything. not just in math, but yeah. So we're going to increase this number to 4. So we're going to have 5 and negative 4. These will act as our factors. And the sum of these numbers is 1. So we've achieved our goal. So now these numbers won't be used to say we multiply and give us negative 10. No, our concentration will be on this one. We expand this one so we make it easy for us to solve. So we're going to replace this where there's a. So we're going to say a power 3 minus 4a plus 5a minus 10 is equals to 0. So we're going to factorize these two sets of information that we have of data here. So we're going to have a, which is common here. Inside will remain with a squared minus 4, since the a is already gone. And what is common here is 5. We're remaining with a, and 5 into 10 is 2. And this whole thing is equals to 0. So as we can see, this is partially factorized. So we're going to factorize it completely. As you can see, inside we have a difference of 2 squares. So it will be a with these curly brackets. Then we put a minus 2 and a plus 2. Another curly brackets plus 5. This one is already completely factorized and is equals to 0. So on this stage, we can see that this and this, they're the same. So we're going to get only 1. So we're going to get a minus 2 are going to remain with a and a plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. So we have a minus 2. A times a is a squared. A times 2 is plus 2a, then plus 5 is equals to 0. So we have two equations to solve for. We have a minus 2 is equals to 0, or a squared plus 2a plus 5 is equals to 0. So we're going to start with this one. So a minus 2 is equals to 0. So we know that a is equals to 2. When 2 crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So now that we found our a here, remember this a was just there to help us to find a value that we can use to find x. So now this a is representing 5 power x. So a is equals to 5 power x. Now let's remove the a and put the value of the a. So 5 power x is equals to 2. Now on this stage, you can easily solve for x by using the rule that is called power first. And when you introduce this rule, bring down the power and introduce logs on both sides of the equation. To make it simple, just divide both sides with log 5, and x is equals to, so you get your calculator, you say log 2 is equals to this divided by log 5, and that is our answer. So x is equals to 0.43. Or you can say on this stage, instead of using logs, you can also use ln, which is the same. So you say x ln 5 is equals to ln 2 divided by ln 5 divided by ln 5. So x is equals to, you say ln 2 is equals to divided by ln 5 to give us 0.43. This is our x. Then for our second equation, if you found that we have a negative figure when we solve, for example this one, say b squared minus 4ac. If you find a negative number, and then the solution will be not real. So our b here is 2. 2 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times c, which will give us 4 minus, this is 20, and this is negative 16. So you can solve this one, but the final solution, we can just say no real solution. Alright, hope this was beneficial. The next time we meet, our question will be find the values of A, B, and C. And we have 2 power A plus 2 power B plus 2 power C is equals to 2320. This will be our next question when we meet on Saturday next week, same time. Thank you. God bless you.